Ghrelin is located in the chromosome 3. It belongs to the family G. There are more hormones in the family. For example, the leptin. Leptin is a hormone that regulates appetite. Its main function is to inhibit food intake and increase energy expenditure to maintain body weight. Leptin is responsible for generating the satiety signal in the brain. Ghrelin is a peptide hormone in which the third amino acid, usually a serpine, but in some species a threonine, is modified by a fatty acid. This modification is essential for ghrelin's activity. It exists in two major forms: N-octanoyl modified ghrelin, which processes as N-octanoyl modification on serotonin 3, and desacyl ghrelin. It has 28 amino acids encoded in exons 1 and 2. I'm going to do some clarification about some concepts. First one, threonine, it is an amino acid, and exon is the portion of the gene that encodes amino acids. The ghrelin acts on the secretion of growth hormone and energy balance, regulates satiety and body weight through central mechanism mediated by neuropeptide Y and a Gaucher-related protein. In its role as an orexigenic hormone, it acts on key hypothalamus and middle brain circuits involving food control. It informs the brain that the body should feed. Its level increases before eating and decreases afterwards. In addition to stimulating the hypothalamus generate appetite, ghrelin acts on fats, causes overexpansion of fat genes involved in lipid retention. Some concepts that I am going to clarify are orexigenic and hypothalamus. Orexigenic is a drug, hormone, or compound that increases appetite, and hypothalamus is the part of the brain located in the central area of the base of the brain that controls the functioning of the nervous system and pituitary activity. Ghrelin is a hormone that is produced and released mainly by the stomach, with small amounts also released by small intestine, pancreas, and brain. If ghrelin stops working, it will stop regulating the buildup of lipids in the body. This could cause heart disease and type 2 diabetes. To avoid this, you have to keep ghrelin at bay through healthy habits, with a varied diet, doing physical activity, and sleeping between 7 or 8 hours a day. If we have the ghrelin levels high, we might have obesity. Prader-Willi syndrome is a genetic disease in which patients have severe obesity, extreme hunger, and learning difficulties. Ghrelin levels are high in Prader-Willi syndrome patients. Ghrelin levels are also high in cachexia and the eating disorder anorexia nervosa. Patients who lose weight after bypass surgery have been found to have lower ghrelin levels than those who lose weight by other means such as diet and exercise, which may partly explain the long-lasting success of this treatment.